The AFT Trolley is a system developed using the AFT automation technology. This basic system can be used for solid, liquid and, with the help of a special gun, it can also fight electrical fires. Multiple firefighting agents like water, foam or AFT-01 can be used along with this system. Let's look at the different parts of the product. The agent tank, the compressed air bottle which contains compressed air, the reducer. The reducer reduces the high air pressure to 7.5 bars. The gun. This mixes the agent and the air from the air bottle to create mist and propels it to long distances. The standard gun has two modes of directing the mist: jet and spray. In the case of the electrical gun, there is only one mode. Safety valve. This prevents unsafe pressure buildup in the system. The manometer, which indicates the pressure of the air in the air bottle. The connecting hoses, which connects the agent and the air to the gun. The bleed valve, which releases trapped air in the agent tank. Before installation of any of the AFT trolleys, please have these basic materials handy. A soft cloth for wiping and cleaning the equipment. A toothbrush to clean the filter. Water resistance grease. O-rings. Once you have all these, it is time to install the product. The AFT trolley system. Once you take out the product from the packed box, check the product for any visible body damage. Then, check for the loosening of the connectors. Tighten if you find any of them loose. Since the equipment comes with an empty air bottle, the first step is to fill it with compressed air. Remove the air bottle by opening the valve connecting it to the reducer. Unlock the belt clamp to free the bottle. Charge air using a high-pressure compressor capable of delivering at least 200 bars of pressure. Clamp the pressurized air bottle back onto the system. Check for the O-ring on the reducer and tighten the connection to the reducer. Now, it is time to fill the extinguishing agent. Press the bleed valve to remove any trapped air from the agent tank. Once the pressure has been released, open the cap. Check for the O-ring on the cap. If it is damaged or cut, replace with a new ring. Depending on the agent required, whether it be water, foam or AFT-01, prepare the agent for charging. If you intend to use water for fighting fire, testing the equipment, fill water into the tank. If it is foam, then calculate the volume of foam required as recommended by AFT. Place the measured quantity of foam in a separate container. Fill the tank with the measured volume of water using a strainer. Gradually pour the foam into the tank. Further mix the two using a stirrer for a few seconds. Now put the cap back and gently tighten and wipe the product till dry. The system is now ready for use. The first step towards commissioning is to pick up the gun from the gun holder and uncoil the hose. Open the air bottle valve to pressurize the system. The system is now ready for operation. Point the gun away from your body and press the trigger for a short burst of water mist. And put the gun back in the holder. Close the air bottle. Bleed the system by pressing the bleed valve located on top of the tank cap. The system is now ready for use. In case of any fire, the first step would be to identify the kind of fire. Remember, with the standard gun, you cannot fight electrically started fires. The AFT Trolley is designed to fight large-size fires. Pick up the gun and secure it using the strap across your neck. Then open the air bottle valve to pressurize the system. Point the gun towards the fire and press the trigger. The jet mode helps in distant firefighting and cools the fire to help you get closer. Once the fire has mellowed down, switch the gun to the spray mode and approach the fire. Spray across the fire till it is extinguished. In case of an electrically started fire, use an AFT Trolley electrical version and follow the same procedure. But unlike the standard system, the electrical version comes with just one mode of spray. Maintain safe distance while fighting the fire. Immediately after use, clean and recharge to increase the life of the system. Press bleed valve to release all trapped air. Once the air has been removed, open the cap. Now fill the system with fresh water. Now put the cap back. Charge the system by opening the air valve. Now take the gun out of the holder and press the trigger to clean. Close the air bottle. Bleed the system by pressing the bleed valve located on top of the tank cap. Now open the gun head and remove the cage filter. Clean the cage filter using a toothbrush. Gently place the filter back and screw the head back. Ensure the alignment is correct before tightening. Now, follow the same process as demonstrated during the installation and the system is ready for use once again.